Deep below the ocean's surface, where light fades into silence, a hidden world begins to wake. You're drifting now, through endless blue, when something moves beside you. A presence, a mind watching back. A dolphin appears, not just swimming, but observing, listening, processing the world through sound we cannot hear. This is echolocation, a biological language of precision, painting the ocean in invisible maps of sound. Then more arrive. A pod, moving like one living intelligence, communicating through clicks, signals, and silent coordination. They hunt together, not by chance, but strategy. Circling, guiding, adapting, solving problems as a unified mind. One breaks formation and approaches you, not in fear, but curiosity, as if it understands you're watching too. And for a moment, the ocean goes still. Two worlds meeting, intelligence recognizing intelligence, then they vanish into the deep blue, leaving only silence, and the reminder that the ocean is far more alive than we imagine.